Hi, in this video we will learn how to send hidden media in Telegram messages. Let's go to Telegram and open a dialogue with a friend and send him a hidden media. We go into the dialogue, then click on the paperclip in the lower right corner and select the photo we want to send. After selecting a photo, click on the three dots in the right corner in the media selection block and click on Hide with Spoiler, and our photo will be hidden. We send a photo, and this is how it will look. If we click on it, the photo will open. If we exit the dialog and re-enter, the photo will hide again. We can do the same with the video. We select a video, click on Hide with Spoiler, send it, it loads, and it is also hidden. We click on the video, and it is shown, and we can watch it. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.